The Nokia Turbo Pro 5G is a flagship smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek design. It features a 6.9-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, providing vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Under the hood, it is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring top-tier performance for multitasking and gaming. The device is equipped with a quad-camera setup, featuring a 144MP primary sensor, 24MP secondary shooter, 16MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP depth sensor, allowing for versatile photography options. For selfies, it offers a 64MP front camera, delivering high-resolution self-portraits. The Turbo Pro 5G is fueled by a robust 7,500 mAh battery, supporting 65W fast charging and wireless charging, ensuring prolonged usage without frequent recharges. Additionally, it runs on Android 16, providing a user-friendly interface and access to the latest features. With its impressive specifications and features, the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G stands as a formidable contender in the premium smartphone market.